I can't skate.
Well, I'll teach you. It's easy. Hey, Olive, look.
See, even little children can skate.
Oh, yeah, it's easy, all right. Well, I'll take Manila.
Well, I'll take you skating.
Hey, Olive, come on back. Now, don't run out on me. I know you're a good skate. Now, come on, let's go in. We wants to rent some skates.
Yeah, we does.
What size? What size? Anybody knows that. That's crazy. I do. Ooh, boy. A flit Fuji.
I take a 3.5, but an 8 feels so good.
So I better get 12s, huh? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Make a fist.
She's got a hand like a 1.5 feet. There we are.
How do you play this game?
Oh, it's just like London Bridge falling down, that's all.
Oh.
Here we are.
Should I count 10?
No, we ain't out on the floor yet,
Oh,
huh?
I see. Oh, well,
Yep. Oh.
Hey,
take it easy,
You
Olive.
better hold on to me, Popeye, because
Yep.
you know.
Now, take it easy, Olive.
Yeah, I can see that.
Nervous. I know.
Now, you stand right here, and I'll show you the first thing to do. Here we go. There we are.
Let me go. Popeye, I just look at me. I gotta get out of this. I'm gonna go home. I can't.
Olive, you started out on the wrong feet, that's all. You'll like it after you learn how. Look at all them other people having fun. Follow me. I'll show you. Hey, somebody turned out the lights. Hey, wait. Oh, I can't see where you're going, Olive. Here goes the light. That's pretty good, Olive, but you gotta keep it up. Now watch me. Here we go. Look, free-wheeling, Olive. Now you try it.
Oh, me? Here goes.
Kind of laying down on the job here, Olive. All right, here we go.
I think you better lift your feet, Olive. A little higher, Olive. Everything's under control, Olive. I got you covered. I got you.
I got it. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out. Oh, I got it.
Hey, Olive, I ain't through teaching you yet. Hey.
Whatever she went to, I don't say.
Wow. Oh, hey, Olive, look out, Olive. Don't tell me I left it home.
I always had it in every other picture. That's what I did.
Is there any spinach in the house?
Here we are, Popeye!
boy.
Let's do it again. My heart's palpitating whenever